As the Lunar New Year unfolds in the Mekong Delta, the second day of Tet holds a sacred significance. For the local Catholic community, families gather meticulously to care for the graves of their loved ones, cleaning, decorating with fresh flowers, and lighting incense as a bridge between the living and the departed. Ancestor worship is a cornerstone of Vietnamese life, and for Catholics here, it is a beautiful fusion of faith and tradition. Descendants return from across the country to reunite. The local church organizes a solemn ceremony right within the graveyard, bringing the entire commune together in prayer. As the service concludes, the atmosphere turns intimate. Families gather closely around their ancestral plots, sharing a final prayer and demonstrating a deep, enduring love for the parents and ancestors who shaped their lives. The Buddhist community marks the second day with a pilgrimage. In Chao Doc, the Lady of Sam Mountain Shrine becomes a sea of devotees. Here, locals and tourists alike offer flowers, roasted pork, and fruits, praying to the goddess for a year of peace and prosperity. The quiet reflection of the morning eventually gives way to the thunderous pulse of lion dancing drums. To close the day, families welcome the dragon dancers into their homes, a vibrant, energetic ritual to chase away the old and invite good fortune for the year ahead.